Hey guys, you all are welcome in my channel Abhi the Tech. My name is Abhishek Chaurasia and today's topic is how to connect MySQL database with Python. So to connect MySQL database with Python, there are two requirements. First one is you have installed MySQL database in Termux, and the second one is you have installed Pythroid 3 from Play Store. Both applications are required. Now, to connect MySQL database with Python, firstly we will install mysql.connector module in Pythroid. So, to install mysql.connector module in Pythroid, firstly open your Pythroid application. Now, open terminal option. In terminal, write pip install mysql.connector. Now just wait for some time. It will be start installing. Then after installation we can connect MySQL database with Python. Now it is showing a message that you have successfully installed mysql.connector 2.2.9 version. How to change the password of MySQL database? So simply open your MySQL. Now my MySQL database is opened. Now right here use MySQL. Now our database is changed. So now write set password for root @ localhost equals to password. Now here we can choose any password in parenthesis in inverted comma. So I am choosing 1234 as my password of MySQL database. Now right here plus privileges. Now my query is executed. Simply quit your MySQL database. After that, if to open MySQL database, you have to write MySQL -h localhost and -p. After that, when you enter, you have to write your password. Now our password is changed. Now Pythroid and MySQL database are ready to connect. Now you have to write your code and you can connect easily with MySQL database. Only point to be noted that you have opened MySQL database before connectivity, otherwise it will raise an error.